The best advice that my mum gave me was that when I'm really worried about something, it always seems a lot worse late at night, so before you go to bed you might be super stressed about something, and she always said to just sleep on it, and when you wake up in the morning things will seem a little bit brighter, and she was definitely right.
If you dress well and you smell well, somebody's going to like you.
Like to never go to bed when you're in the middle of an argument, to try and sort it out before you do, so that the next day you start fresh. So that's something that I would always try to do. Not that I get into arguments that regularly, but that's one that I always keep in mind.
Before I moved away, I was driving my granny home from a family lunch or whatever, and on the drive back she told me to stay away from 3 things in life and I'd do well. And they were alcohol, which I assume also includes drugs, gambling and women. So 2 out of 3 ain't bad.
A strong, sweet cup of tea can help in any situation, and I definitely think that's true.
So our mum wanted to keep us alive in the countryside, so don't ever pass in front of a cow, always behind one, and don't touch the electric fence if it's humming.
Don't mind them, they're only jealous.